Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Kia Niro battery only way. Begin by turning the vehicle off, engage the parking brake, and open the hood. Disconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10 mm wrench, then wait 10 minutes to clear residual charge. Reconnect the terminal firmly, ensuring a secure fit, and close the hood. Finally, start the vehicle and monitor the instrument cluster for faults. Drive for 10 minutes to let systems recalibrate. Safety first, wear gloves and eye protection before touching the battery. Park on level ground and avoid metal jewelry that might short terminals. Use a properly sized 10 mm wrench and keep a fire extinguisher nearby. If you see corrosion, clean it with a baking soda solution and a nylon brush, then rinse and dry. Never disconnect the positive terminal alone, and if you are unsure, consult a professional today. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes life easier while you focus on car care. I use it to keep the garage tidy, and it fits into a busy routine. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After reconnecting the negative terminal, perform a hard reset by pressing the power button without starting the engine, then wait 30 seconds. Turn the key to accessory, cycle power twice, and start the vehicle to allow the battery management system to relearn parameters. Drive at varied speeds for 15 minutes to help the system recalibrate. Check for any persistent warning lights and clear codes with an OBD2 scanner if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.